Fishing and likely long-distance trading were common for the Anglo-Saxons, most likely a tradition passed down from their Angle roots. Unique Anglo-Saxon ships were made during this time. The most common was the Saxon keelboat, though folk call it by all sorts of names. Keelboats were a bit like Viking longships, but shorter, around 50 foot, and had no deck, so the oarsmen had to keep bucketing out water that got in through the wood, waves, or rain. Most of their boats were clinker-built, where the edges of the hull planks overlapped. This way of building was also used all across Scandinavia. The Anglo-Saxons built up a formidable navy, which played a key role in both defence and offence. Their shipbuilding skills and naval tactics helped them keep control over coastal areas. Anglo-Saxon shipbuilders were skilled at making seaworthy vessels. Their methods, including the use of clinker-built ships, boosted their strength at sea and added to their overall naval power.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.